Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about ebooks and digital guides business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the store, on the search. So let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Here you can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Choose an account. Now wait a few seconds to build this store. So the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes. Here where you can change the themes if you want. So for me, I'm gonna keep this down. You can change it, just click add and wait a few seconds to install the theme. And after the theme is installed, you can publish it and you can customize it on your homepage. So it's installed. Now you can customize it. It will takes you to your homepage store. So here, if you wanna change the style of your homepage, you can make it like a desktop like this, or like a mobile style, or like a full screen style. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here, this is the settings where you can design your homepage. So here first we have the header, we have the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. You can show separate line. You can show icons on desktop. You can also turn this on, auto-rotate announcements, and also you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Let's move on to the announcement. Here you can change the text. You can pass a link or search for collections if you want. I'm gonna select all collections. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. So the header, here we have the desktop logo position. You can change it. You can change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type. Also you can change the sticky header. You can show separator line. Here you can change the color scheme. You can change the menu color scheme. Here you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. You can change the mobile layout. You can change the spacing and the section padding. So here you can manage the theme settings. Here you can enable search suggestions. So here you can put your social media links, your Twitter link, or your Facebook link, or Pinterest, or Instagram, or YouTube, or whatever you want. You can add here. So let's move on to the logo. You have to add your logo from your library. So just for example, let's search on some logos on the browser. So for example, let's choose this. This is your logo right now. You can change it at any time you want. If you want to delete it, if you want to change another, just click here and you can select from your library or free image or whatever you want. Here you can change the desktop logo width. So let's get back. Now let's move on to the next section, the image banner. You can select the first image, and you can add the second image. So for example, let's search some images on the browser. So for example, you can choose whatever you want from here. So I'm gonna choose this just for example. You can add your second image if you want. Here you can it is the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. Also you can show container on desktop. Here you can change the color scheme. You can edit the animations and the image behavior. Here you can turn this on, show stock image on mobile, and show container on mobile. So that's it. Let's get back. Let's move on to this, the heading. Generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Ebooks, for example, ebooks. If you want to change the type of the text, you can change it from here. You can change the heading size, small or medium or large. So I'm gonna keep it like this. Here you can change the buttons. Of course, you can change the first button label if you want. You can change the first button link, and also you can add the second button label and the second button link. So let's get back. Now let's move on to the featured collection. Here you can change the heading. Just generate the text and describe what this text is about. Evox, for example, generate. You can edit the heading size here. Description like this. So here you can show show the collection description from the admin. Also you can change the description style. You can make products full width. You can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can enable quick add button. You can show vendor. You can show product region. Also you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. So if you want to add something new on your home page, click here add section and select what kind of section you want to add, like image banner or image with the text. So that's it. The last section here we have the footer section. So also here you can edit the color scheme. You can show email sign up, and you can generate the heading. So that's it. You can enable follow on shop. You can show social media icons, and that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, now you have to save this, and let's get back to the home page, to the dashboard. Now you can name your store. The next step is name your store. So after you add your first product and add the custom domain and add the sharing details, now the next step is name your store. So now you can name your store if you want. Type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, and here you can add your store email. So that's it. Now you can set up payment provider and set your shipping rates, and the last step is launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. You can remove your store password, you can pick a plane. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.